In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a radius circle on Google Maps. This is really useful if you want to visualize an area around a specific point, like seeing everything within a certain distance of your home, your business, or any location you're planning around. First, open your web browser and go to Google Maps. Make sure you're on the desktop version, because this method works best on a computer rather than a phone. Once Google Maps has loaded, search for the place you want to use as the center of your radius. You can type an address, a city, or even the name of a landmark into the search bar at the top and hit enter. When the map zooms into that location, adjust the zoom level so you can clearly see the surrounding area you care about. Next, you'll need a radius drawing tool that works with Google Maps, since Google Maps itself doesn't have a built-in radius circle feature. Open a new browser tab and search for a Google Maps radius tool. Choose a reputable site that lets you draw a circle on top of Google Maps. Most of these tools look very similar. You'll see a map, a search bar, and some options to set the distance. In the radius tool, search again for the same location you just looked up on Google Maps. This keeps everything consistent. Once the map centers on that spot, look for an option that lets you choose the radius distance. You can usually type in a value like 1 kilometer, 5 kilometers, or 10 miles, depending on what units you prefer. Enter your desired distance, then confirm or click the button to draw the circle. The tool will now place a clear circle around your chosen point, showing the exact radius you set. You can zoom in and out to explore which streets, neighborhoods, or landmarks fall inside that area. If the center isn't exactly where you want it, most tools allow you to click and drag the center point to fine-tune the location, and the circle will automatically adjust. When you're happy with your radius circle, you can leave it open in the radius tool, or use the share or link options many tools provide to save or send the map to others. Some tools also let you take a screenshot for quick reference, and that's all you need to draw a radius circle on top of Google Maps and start planning with precise distance in mind.